Here's a 2018 Audi S5 Coupe. When you look this good, it's hard not to be confident. When you perform like this, it's downright impossible. 2018 is the first year of a complete redesign that keeps the S5 moving forward. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Intercooled turbo V6 engine, sport suspension, automatic transmission, express open and closed tilting sunroof, integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the glove box, dual zone climate control, wireless audio streaming, front heated sport seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, and Audi Parking System Plus Park Assist. New Car Test Drive calls it a grand touring car designed to cover lots of ground at high speed while coddling a pair of occupants. They seat 2+2. The rear seats are for the occasional adult passengers or for bringing small kids along. It has a body that doesn't quit and an engine that can easily keep up. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 754-220-1690.